In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use proofing in Smartsheet. Proofing is a great way to review files, gather feedback, and keep everything tied to a specific task in your project sheet. I'll walk you through creating a proof, uploading your file, and getting it ready for review, all from within a Smartsheet row. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet. In this example, we're working in a project where one of the tasks is called Website Redesign Phase 1. Go ahead and locate that row in your sheet. This is the task we'll attach our proof to, so make sure you're clicked on the correct row before you move on. Next, click on the Website Redesign Phase 1 row to select it. When the row is selected, look toward the right-hand side of the row for the proofing icon or the option that's highlighted for you in the interface. This is usually represented by a small icon that indicates attachments or proofing. Click on that highlighted area to open the proofing panel for this row. In the panel that opens, choose the option to create a proof. This is where you tell Smartsheet that you're starting a new review item for this specific task. Click on Create a Proof, and a new window or side panel will appear, prompting you to add content. Now, click on Upload. This is where you select the file you want to be reviewed. It might be a design mockup, a PDF, an image, or another document related to your website redesign. After you click Upload, browse your computer and select the correct file. Confirm your selection so Smartsheet can attach it to the proof. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see more fields highlighted in the proofing panel. Click on the highlighted areas to enter important details, such as a proof name, a description, or instructions for reviewers. This is where you type in context so people know what they're looking at and what kind of feedback you need. You may also see a highlighted area for adding reviewers or adjusting settings. Click on that highlight and type in the information you need, such as who should review the proof or any notes that will help them focus. Finally, with your file uploaded and your details filled in, make sure you're still on the Website Redesign Phase 1 row, so everything stays organized. Once everything looks good, complete any remaining highlighted fields by typing in the requested information. Your proof is now created, attached to the correct task, and ready for your team to review within Smartsheet.